Welcome to Kim's Crafting Corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to curve that text in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to share my screen with you. So you can see here, I've already got an object and I've got the text. Now you don't have to have an object to curve text, but I just thought it would be fun. So you're going to click on the text. You are going to come over here to where it says curve, and you're just going to start curving it. Until it kind of does what you want it to do. You can also curve it down. And you could curve it up. So let's say you want to do it this way. Let's open that up just a little bit more. Bring it up so you can see it better. So there you go. That's how you curve text in Cricut Design Space. If you've liked the video, and you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to give a little to the like button. Also, don't forget that I have my Kim's Crafting Corner membership. It's a free membership where you can get a design each week. You get how-to and tutorial videos. You will find some videos that you will not see on YouTube that are exclusive just to my membership as a thank you to them. You'll see craft project ideas as well. So I've hoped you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone.